Welcome to my channel. Join me as we explore one of Kenya's most unique and inspiring natural wonders, Marafa Hellskitchen. Nestled in the heart of Kilifi County, this place is only 49 minutes drive from Malindi and about 1 hour 15 minutes from Watamu. This magical canyon is not only a marvel of nature but also steeped in fascinating history, myth, geological, and cultural significance. Here, every twist and turn of the rugged landscape tells a story, a legend story, a geological story, and the elements shaping this masterpiece over millennia. But Marafa Hellskitchen is more than just a geological wonder. It's a place where nature and local folklore come together in harmony. Legend has it that many years ago, a wealthy family once lived in what is now known as Marafa Hellskitchen. This family owned an abundance of livestock and was known for their immense riches. However, their extravagance led them to a shocking act. They began using milk instead of water to bathe. This act of wastefulness and disregard for others did not go unnoticed. It is said that God, angered by their arrogance, sent a heavy downpour of rain as punishment. The rain was so intense that it washed away their luxurious homes and buried their once prosperous land under layers of eroded rock and sand. Today, Marafa Hellskitchen stands as a reminder of the dangers of greed and excess. Its dramatic landscape, a testimony to the wrath of nature and divine justice. Before we dive into the geological story, I hope you've taken something valuable from the legend I just shared. Remember, stories like this carry lessons that resonate through time. If you have enjoyed this so far, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share to support the channel and stay updated on more exciting content. Now, if you are planning to visit Marafa Hellskitchen, here are a few tips. Make sure to wear sturdy sports shoes with good grip, as the terrain can be challenging. Dress in light, breathable cloth, as the temperatures here can soar above 45 degrees Celsius during the day. It truly lives up to its Hellskitchen name. Along the way, you will encounter seasonal rivers with mesmerizing sand formations, families of playful baboons, and sacred shrines where locals come to make their wishes. Prepare yourself for an unforgettable adventure. Now, let's delve into the geological story of Marafa Hellskitchen. This breathtaking landscape is rich in minerals that give it its striking colors. The white layers are composed of calcium. The yellow layers are rich in sulfur, and the red layers are filled with iron. However, these minerals remain untouched and not mined to this day. Interestingly, these colors also hold symbolic meanings when tied to the legend of this place. According to the story, the red represents blood, the yellow symbolizes animal dung, and the white signifies the milk from the livestock that once thrived here. What's even more fascinating is that, despite heavy rains, these vibrant colors never blend or mix. It's a truly remarkable feature that adds to the mystery and beauty of Marafa Hellskitchen.
Frei aus mein Herz, Freiheit im Blut. Kein Mann, keine Frau, binäre ist gut. Die Welt zieht mich runter, doch ich steh hier fest. Lachen ohne Schranken, Träume sind das Best. Freiheit unser Lied, Echos durch die Zeit. Keine Ketten binden uns, wir sind ewig frei.
Marafa Hellskitchen is renowned for offering one of the most spectacular sunset views you'll ever experience. As the sun dips below the horizon, its golden rays illuminate the dramatic canyon, casting vibrant hues of red, orange, and yellow across the landscape. The interplay of light and shadow enhances the beauty of the rock formations, creating a mesmerizing and almost surreal atmosphere. It's the perfect spot to end your day, soaking in the tranquility and natural wonder of this magical place. If you visit, make sure to stay until sunset. The place isn't just a natural wonder, it's also a hub for unique, handcrafted treasures. Whether you're looking for artwork, curios, home or office decor, shoes, clothes, or beautiful woven basket, this extraordinary destination is a one-stop shop.
Ich bleib stark und echt, Seele ungezügelt.
For those who sing, in heaven there is no beer, this is the best place for you.
Keine Ketten binden uns, wir sind ewig frei.